Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you the unboxing of wireless earbuds headphones Bluetooth 5.0, noise cancelling IPX5, waterproof, 3D sound with deep bass for Android and iPhone. At first glance, the box looks okay, gives the impression of a decent product. You do not get the feeling that you have purchased a really cheap product, although I paid less than 1/10 of the price of Apple's AirPods Pro. Opening the box is quick and easy. Inside, the first thing you see is the manual. It is in several languages, informative. Further, when you look inside, you will see the charge case and both earbuds. The case feels small but of very good quality. It is a bit heavy for its size, and the material does not feel cheap at all. I was very surprised. The lid of the car also feels very sturdy, with a strong magnet to keep the case closed. The earbuds also feel like they are made of a good strong material. They do not feel like cheap plastic at all. Both earbuds fit in the case easily, and as soon as you close the lid it looks like they are charging. Inside the box, you will find some spare rubber parts and a charging cable. Overall, the quality is more than satisfactory for the price I paid. The earbuds connect to your device via Bluetooth 5.0. The battery lasts for 3 to 4 hours, and you may recharge the earbuds in the case once or twice. They need about 1 to 1.5 hours to charge. The sound is very, very good. You can hear the bass, and you can also hear the 3D surround sound. I was very impressed. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.